How to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your chat settings, prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. So let's get started. You can follow the same steps if you're using Xbox, PS5, mobile or PC. Just follow these steps and you're good to go. First of all, you gotta open the Roblox application and then simply head over to the More option. Here, you gotta scroll to the bottom and click on Settings right here. So once you click on settings, you should see the option of privacy and contact restriction. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another interface of privacy and content restrictions. Here you should see the option of communication. Click on communication and you should see the option of experience chat, party, camera input. Head over and click on experience chat, and here you gotta make sure both of these are turned on. For experience chat and direct chat, make sure they are on everyone. Then go back, click on party and click on connections and connections again. Make sure both party and group party are on connections. And once done, you should see that your issue of your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox will be fixed. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.